National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Beaver County, southeastern Texas County, northern Hansford County, northwestern Nicholtree County, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles north of Groover to 5 miles northwest of Waka, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Hardesty, Waka, and Optima. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hansford and Nicholtree. A severe